Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. This is Digital Marathon series of videos where we are going to ask you 42 challenges, and we already had asked 19 challenges from you and you have participated very well. So thank you so much for your participation and supporting us. And now without wasting much time, let us get started and see our next challenge. Friends, the challenge is on your screen where you have to design a digital logic to stretch a single cycle input pulse by 3 clock cycles. Here you have to design this unknown block where the input is single clock cycle pulse and output is 3 clock cycle pulse. Now you can pause my video here, try to think of its answer. If you come to know its answer, please write it down in the comment section. By the way, this is very simple question and most of the times it is asked in the interviews also. With this, I am going to end this session and I hope that all of you are enjoying this video series. If you also like this video, please press the like button and share your feedback in the comment section. And in future also we are going to create many such videos. So to be aligned with our channel, don't forget to subscribe it and press the bell icon to get the notification of all the upcoming videos. Thank you so much for your support.